5 side hustle will make you $1,000 per day. How to earning $1,000 per day from a side hustle is ambitious and typically require a combination of skill, dedication, and leveraging the right opportunities. Here are 5 potential side hustles that could help achieve this goal. 1. E-commerce store, dropshipping, private labeling. Okay, what it is? Selling product online through platform like Shopify, Amazon, or Etsy. In now, Etsy is the most popular platform online in the world who used to sell many things on this website. Etsy, you can sell print on demand or your goods and everything for category of you have. This is many goods in this website. This website is most popular in young or teenager want to make money online. How to scale? Focus on high demand niche, optimize for SEO and paid ad if you have, and leverage social media for marketing. You must use your social media benefit to your business. Make your content about your goods to promote your good. Potential earning. Successful store can generate thousands per day, especially with the right marketing. You must learn about marketing and do for success. 2. High ticket, freelancing, or consulting. What it is? Offering premium service like copywriting, web development, coaching, or financial consulting. How to scale? Target high pay. Strength. Build a strong portfolio, a network in niche industry. Potential earning. Charging $2,000 to $10,000 per project can lead to daily earning of $1,000 per day if you book consistent project. Now, I see many people use Instagram platform to start personal branding, and when he have more follower, he will consulting or group coaching for this work. This work can make money many much if you have many follower and many people want to earning about money from online. Instagram, I see younger teenager to older teaching about business or consulting or program. You have many time, you have many way to consulting about you smart, about you light, about you have time to it. Okay. 3. Content creating and monetization. What it is? Creating content on YouTube or Facebook or blog and monetization to add sponsorship and affiliate marketing. Now I have many people do YouTube to make money like this. Faceless Faceless YouTube is most popular to young to make money from YouTube. Potential earning is very much. Viral video or post with sponsorship deal can quickly hit $1,000 per day. Content creating and monetization from YouTube is popular in teenager or younger. Many channel can teach you about faceless channel to make money in a 4. Real estate. What it is renting property or selling property on platform like Airbnb without owning them. Arbitrage or flipping property. How to scale? Use automation to forecast management, target high demand location, and optimize listing. Potential earning. Renting multiple property in high demand area can easily net over $1,000 per day. 5. Trading or investing. Cryptocurrency or stock. What it is? Actively trading stock, forex, or cryptocurrency for short-term gain. If you trading stock, you will good. Yesterday, S&P 500 passed very much. This is the good news for investors all the world. S&P 500 yesterday is plus 9%. It is very much. If you investing 100, you will gain 109. How to skill? Learn advanced trading strategy, manage risk and use automate tool. Potential earning. Experienced trader can make significant profit daily. Thought it come with the high risk. High risk will high return. Up on you decide. Up on you can management your risk or not. Each of those side hustle require skill and ability in terms of time. You must skill building. You will possibly money, consistency, strategic planning, and leverage opportunity effectively are key to success in every way. Now I make YouTube and I will make Instagram for teaching about monetization. And I invest some of money, not all. I will divide some money I collect to investing in ETF. Up on you management your money and you will success in your life. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this content, please like and subscribe me. Thank you.